Swiffer WetJet Floor Spray Mop gives you a great clean on virtually any floor in your home. With a unique dual nozzle sprayer, this all-in-one mopping system breaks up and dissolves tough messes for a powerful clean.
Steve, my old WetJet just sprayed the cleaner out in 2 small jets. This new WetJet sprays in a wide spray pattern, so the cleaner covers a much bigger, wider area in front of the jets. Much better. My old WetJet lasted 4+ years before the plastic handle broke, which is pretty good, with all the use it got, so I will still recommend you are getting one yourself. Or hey, worth buying. Great product. Amazon customer. Great. I've stalled buying a Swiffer forever and I'm so happy. I finally did. I would suggest ordering another container of the solution, because the one included goes fast. Works well on wood floors and tile. Amazon customer. Love this mop. I love this mop. I've been using a regular wet Swiffer, but always wanted to have a way to keep the fabric wet as I went. This works great. Louis G. Prito. It has a feeble place. This item is wonderful, do the task perfectly, but it has a feeble part. You cannot pass too strong because it breaks. If you press too strong down, to take out some little garbage attached to the floor, it could be bad for the item. Be careful and pass the item on the floor gently. This item was bought because the previous I had broke down. Nana. Excellent. Cleans all types of floors.
Rubbermaid Reveal Spray Mop Floor. Save more and waste less with the Rubbermaid Reveal Spray Mop. The thick microfiber pad is washable and reusable, so that you never have to run to the store for refills when you're getting ready to clean.
Amazon customer. Happy with this product. Is what we needed to do. Cynthia. Works great. I love that you can use your own choice of cleaning products. iPod Edict. Very cost efficient. I just received this mop yesterday. My old mop broke, so I was looking for something lightweight and better quality than what I had before. Today, I pulled this one out of its box and put it to work. Love that it has 2 bottles that I can fill with my own cleaning solutions, which means I save money by not having to purchase expensive pre-filled solutions. Love that the mop came with 3 nice absorbent microfiber pads too. The price is very reasonable. I feel that it is easy to use and good quality. My floors look and smell great. Shelly. Shimmers and shines. Okay. So I bought mine specifically because the floor cleaner I bought specifically said, comparable with this mop and another, this one had better reviews. I am so very happy with this for my tile stone. I fill one with the cleaner and one with just water. So I mop with the cleaner, and swap out the bottles, and go over it with water. Which is what keeps the line trigger clean and not clogged. This is wonderful. My tile and stone tile sparkles and shines. Do not use fabric softener to wash the pads. The only thing I could think of to improve the battles would have been to have different cap colors, like red for the cleaning solution of your choice, and blue for red or the second bottle. Don't know why I can't add pictures to my reviews the last 3 days. It's annoying. Arena. The best spray mop ever. In fact, it is not so expensive in comparison to other brands. Unfortunately, I had disappointing experience with new spray mop by Vorfreud, which turned to complete waste of money, as it did not spray at all from the first moment. Manufacturer advice was not helpful either. Honestly, you need to try this product in order to realize Rubbermaid Reveal beneficial quality difference. on spray mops on the market. Rubbermaid is very comfortable in use, well-designed and convenient, quality spray system, including the spray bottle. Indeed, great product. I wish I bought earlier and did not waste £25 for Borfroid.
Spray Mop. The O-Cedar Pro Mist Max. Use your own solution and just spray. Its microfiber captures all kinds of dirt, and the pad flips over to clean 2 times more surface area. The O-Cedar Pro Mist Max.
Kendra Langford. So awesome. Better than the Bona mop. Tie. Like. I enjoy this very much. I don't have a lot to mop, so it minimizes the mess of getting a water bucket ready, and all that. Carol Newton. This is the best mop. It is very sturdy, easy to use. I like that you add your own water, and just a bit of cleaner to save money. I only wish it came with 1 extra pad, so when you need to wash it, you have a spare. You can buy a 4-pack of DD. Good products. I like the mop so far.